Hello guys, in this today's video we are going to cover inheritance in Python. So let's open our Anaconda Navigator, launch Jupyter Notebook, then click on desktop, then Python, create new file, save it as a Python inheritance. Then first of all, what is inheritance? Inheritance allows us to define a class that inherit all the methods and properties from another class. Suppose we created class that is, make sure capital letter, my class, and inside this my class I declare one that is our constructor in it. Then after that the symbol that is self. Suppose I'm getting first name, so f name, then l name. Then after that I have to save that is self dot first name is equal to f name, and self dot last name is equal to l name. Then we just created this initialization. Then if we want to print this, we can use print define, that is create print name. We have to pass self because we have to use it, and make sure after passing you have to use print, and what you have to print, that is self dot first name. And if you want to print both, you can give it a semicolon, and you have to write down self dot last name. So this is basic class program. Now let's run this program. This class will get created. Now I have to create one more class, that is for example second class. And if you want to inherit the my class, you have to add inside this parenthesis. So how you can add this? You just have to add my class. If you write this, and if you just want to pass this statement, that is just I want to create the second class. If I run this, this will open. If I created now second class object, for example x is equal to second class, and I have to pass on Wisdom, last name is equal to Sprouts, and if I run the print name function, if I run this, then I will get Wisdom Sprout. So how this is happening? We created one single class and we created one constructor. After that we created one method, that is print name, that will print our first name and last name. Again we created a second class which is named as a second class, and we inherit that class from this my class. So this is how you can use inherit method in this. Now you can use also use the super method. What is super method? Python also has super function that will make the child class inherit all the methods and properties from its parents. So you can write something like this. Suppose I'm just closing that. Yes, we created another class, that is second class. Inside this second class, if we create one constructor, that is def init method self f name and comma l name, first name last name, and if we create super method dot, make sure in it, and you have to pass f name and l name. What will happen when you created a constructor inside this child class? Then you can't access parent class constructor directly. You have to use this super method. While using this super method, you can able to access all methods and properties of your parent class. So let's run that program. Again create one object of second class, then you have to pass name Wisdom, then Sprouts, and just use the function print name. So if you run this program, oops, there's one, oh, we forgot the bracket. And one more thing, there's one error, that is, I think, just created super, yes, oh, we forgot to inherit, yes, so make sure you have to inherit, yes. If I run this, then you will get wisdom sprout. So guys, this is inheritance in Python. Stay tuned, subscribe our channel and click bell icon to get more updates.